boys and girls, it's Miss Jackie again. Just want you to know that I really do miss all of you and I cannot wait to see you. We are on our 4th experiment with Crazy Mr. Chuck, and this experiment we're going to blow up a balloon without putting our own air in the balloon. Mr. Chuck, where's Crazy Scientist Mr. Chuck? Where is he? Oh!
Whoa!
There he is.
Hi boys and girls, are you ready for week 4? So this is a fun experiment that's going to cause a chemical reaction and actually blow up our balloon without you having to do it. You take the baking soda that Miss Jackie provided and the balloon, and then have your parents grab some vinegar. So the first thing we're going to do is to put the baking soda into some type of a small container. There's probably more than you need. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put the baking soda into the balloon. So a small spoon or something like that helps, and we have something down to help us not make a big mess for mom and dad. So you just spoon the baking soda into the balloon, try to get it down into the bottom. That's probably enough. Now, any type of empty bottle will do for this experiment. And what we want to do is to add the vinegar into the bottle. This might get messy too, but it's okay. Now, this is where the chemical reaction comes in. We take the top of the balloon and stretch it over the bottle. And then we take it and we dump the baking soda into the balloon. There it goes. Look at all those bubbles. It's blowing up our balloon. That's pretty cool. Chemistry and science is fun. So thanks for watching this week, boys and girls. We'll see you next week.